Myrna Yao of Rich Prime Global Incorporated, the distributor of Barbie dolls and Hot Wheels and many other brands. Since 2006, when it started. Dati akong chair ng Philippine Commission on Women and in-invite ako ni Joey to partner with Go Negosyo. So, we launched it with President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The favorite moment is always when you mentor and teach, especially those who are starting na hindi nila alam ang gagawin. Parang sa akin, naalala ko yung nag-umpisa din ako noon. Yung mga negosyante natin ngayon na gustong makatulong sa kapwa nila, this is one way of helping. Kung kayo makabigay ng idea, ng advice sa mga gustong magnegosyo at saka maliliit na negosyante,